and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I just have a quick question for you guys. As you guys know, I cook all different types of food. I cook Chinese food, Mexican food, Italian food. I try to incorporate different cultures into my cooking. And, of course, I cook American food, but I have a friend who is Vietnamese. And she was telling me that in Vietnam, they eat chicken feet. And I told her I've never had chicken feet. I didn't know how to cook it or whatever, but I have heard, of people eating it. I think I've heard of people frying it or whatever, and she told me how they do it. And so I'm just wondering how many of you guys would like to see me do a video cooking chicken feet? Is that something you want to see? And if so, do you want it boiled or do you want it fried? You guys let me know. And if it's something that you want me to do, I'll do it. I'll try it. Chicken feet is, it's basically skin and gristle, and basically we eat all parts of the chicken. We eat the gizzards and the wings, legs, thighs, breast, the back. We use the bones to make stock. And so we use almost every part of the chicken. So why not the feet? It's different for me. It's new to me. I'm excited about it. But I need you guys to go in the comments and let me know if it's something that you want to see. And if you are new to my channel and have never been able to get in the comments, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can also comment and let me know what you'd like to see. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.